You guys get combative.
Yes.
So what do you think brings this tension on?
Well, I'm already pregnant as it is, and me and my mom, we have never been close. I'm paranoid schizophrenic at that.
We've examined the records, and that diagnosis was not written down.
She's never been diagnosed. She diagnosed herself.
Is it your understanding that one of the characteristics of psychosis is that you have a difficult time separating reality from fantasy?
Definitely.
Did you tell people that Eminem is your father?
Yes, I did actually. Yeah, I did.
Is he your father?
What are you doing, Zilla? I see you, Holly.
Of a guy that
Are you smiling for the camera?